ordinary, we are going to make our Sunday even more beautiful. तो मैं बोलूंगी भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे। और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में हम सब जानते हैं, बहुत ही फक्र और घमंड से हमारा सर ऊंचा होता है जब हमने करारा जवाब दिया। तो हमारे पूरे डिफेंस के लिए एक बार एवरीबॉडी हैंड्स अप इन द एयर, एवरीवन, एवरीबॉडी, और जोरदार तालियों से उनका हम थैंक यू बोलेंगे। कितना भी कर ले, कुछ भी कर ले, it is never going to be enough for what they have done for us. So today is the day when we can actually thank them, because this event was going to happen on the 11th, as we all know, got delayed, but yes। और ये भी बोल सकती हूँ कि इंद्र देवता भी कुछ ज्यादा ही हमारे ऊपर प्रसन्न थे। सुबह 1 बजे से जो शुरू हुए, थोड़ी देर पहले रुके हैं, हम भी भाग भाग कर आ रहे हैं all the way from Noida, and trust me, हमारी जान हथेली में थी। आस्क माय टीममेट्स जो गाड़ी भगाई है, तो हम सब यहाँ आपके लिए हैं। और मैं चाहूंगी आप सब एक बार जोरदार तालियों से खुद का आप अभिनंदन करेंगे और खुद का स्वागत करेंगे। चलो 3 cheers for all of us, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip। क्या बात है, one more time everyone। और सारी लेडीज क्यों पीछे खड़ी है? When a lady is dahaaring like this, I would request all the ladies also to please come forward। And I don't know हम किसको चेस करते हुए आए हैं। सौरभ सर, हम किसको चेस कर रहे थे? We were chasing a group of people, right? So with me is an amazing my team. You will come to know more. Is Saurabh sir? Raise your hand. And Vrinda ji. Vrinda, where are you? There she is. Okay. So once again, let us all be very responsible. Let us all be very respectful. और यहाँ जब मैं आती हूँ तो मुझे एक पर्सनल टच भी बहुत मिलता है। वो ये कि मैं एक एयर होस्टेस रह चुकी हूँ विद एयर इंडिया। सो आई हैव फ्लोन द नेशनल कैरियर, देन नेशनल कैरियर फॉर 9 years। तो जब भी यहाँ आती हूँ और जब भी किसी प्लेन को उड़ते हुए देखती हूँ, उड़ान भवन, हम थोड़ा भटक गए थे, उड़ान भवन, मैंने कहा उड़ान भवन, ओके, बट यस, thanks to this beautiful premises, let us all thank GMR. Let us all thank our amazing organizer who has curated this event, V-Chaser. Any teammate from V-Chaser? Anyone here? Oh, Rohit ji is here. There he is. And we have been conversing since night. So, once again, we the Chaser, we the Indians, we the conquerors. Now let's all be very, very, very careful, and let us all, हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे, be a responsible traveler, respect airport and airline staff. Can we all together say this? All of us, सबको एक साथ बोलेंगे, let's speak up together. Be a responsible traveler, respect airport and airline staff. I was an ex-airline staff, so yes, respect the airline staff. So for the airline staff, for airport, for the people who make our journey beautiful, memorable, उनके लिए भी एक बार हम जोरदार ताली बजा देंगे। Everybody, क्या बात है? One more time, we together welcome you all to the ATA Awareness Run 2025, 25th of May 2025. All of us together, we are going to have 5 kilometers, we are going to have 2 kilometers. And the flag off of 5 kilometers is going to be at 7:30 a.m. So what is the time right now? Anyone who is from the flying background? कोई यहाँ पर है flying background से? Anybody? मेरे अलावा? Anyone? You are from the flying background? From aviation? Anyone from aviation? Anyone from airline? Anyone from airline? Please come forward, sir. Anyone from airline? हम सब, अच्छा, anyone who has traveled by air?
Everybody.
Chalo everyone. So for the airline staff,
those who all have traveled by air, अब ये मत बोलना नहीं, everybody, कितने लोगों ने एयर से अभी तक ट्रैवल नहीं किया है? प्लेन पे बैठे नहीं है अभी तक? नहीं, क्या बात है। ओके, बहुत जल्दी होगा, आज हम मैनिफेस्ट करते हैं। लेट्स मैनिफेस्ट टुगेदर, ऑल ऑफ अस हियर। ये तो मेरा एक सेकेंड होम हुआ करता था, T3 एंड T1 एंड ऑल ऑफ इट। ऑल द लेडीज हियर, द ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स, all the girls and all the men for the women, क्योंकि अगर हम 11th को मिलते तो मेरा तो एक पेटेंट लाइन जरूर होता, because we would have also celebrated Mother's Day, right? So for all the beautiful girls and all the amazing strong women, can all the men clap for the women there and for the girls? Very good. This is what we are looking for. So we are going to do a nice warm up session. Zumba fitness कितने लोगों ने सुना है? किया भी है? क्या बात है, क्या बात है। What is Zumba fitness? Other than you, what is Zumba fitness? क्या जानते हो Zumba fitness के बारे में? Okay, Zumba fitness is a complete dance fitness program inspired by all international dance forms. You name one dance form, Zumba has it. हमारी बॉलीवुड भी है उसमें, हमारा भांगड़ा भी है उसमें। It is super fun, super easy to follow. जो पहला सवाल आता है, do I have to be a dancer to be a Zumba? Very good. Somebody is saying, no, I love you for that. And I also love your hairs and your smile. Yes, you. Yeah. Okay. So, I don't want to be biased being a lady standing here only talking about ladies. I also want to see men getting involved. And I know you, sir. You are an expert. And as ma'am said, अच्छा हम आप ही को follow कर रहे थे. DXR लिखा था, हम आप ही को follow कर रहे थे. We were following you because हमारी route कहीं और चली गई थी. हम कहीं और चले गए थे. Okay. So, one more time. All of you on the spot. Let's jog first. Let's warm up first and then we will have the music. Yes? Everybody ready for it?
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you.
Linda?
Let me talk to you.
Hey, everybody! Sadhana! Everybody! Music from the start. Okay, now. With me is Saurabh sir, my co-instructor, very talented. You will see his energy in a while, okay? So can we have the music, please? Everybody start marching!
That'll make me go. It's crazy, I'm like spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xanol. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did the thing I seen, shorty get low. Ain't the same when it's up that club. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Hit the pole, I got the big bro. I'ma say that I prefer them no flow. I'm into that, I love women they fold. He threw it back at me, I gave her more. That ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them. Do to get your Jones. Got a Lex Maybach for the sexy grown. Put on the rocks that'll make you moan. 1 step, come on. 2 steps, come on. 3 steps, come on. Now it's 3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I did a rubber band. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was out like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her. Like a pornography poster. She showed her.
Clap for yourselves.
The other one.
Can I request Miss Vrinda?
Take a picture of
Miss
that
Vrinda
one.
Mittal to please come up on stage.
बड़ा अच्छा लगा मुझे.
And Saurabh sir, can you play the music? You can go down and change the music. Music is ready?
That is that cost how much? अभी जो नया मॉडल है about होगा 60,000 का. But ये पुराना है.
Yes.
ये about 20.
Now that's Vrinda.
नहीं वो जो उसी का DJ Pocket. अच्छा फोटो में होगा. ये जो है ये क्या है? ये